really hard to believe that up that high north it used to be a boreal forest ecosystem, and this is 3 to 5 million years ago, and even beyond that, the Earth was a very different place. Now it's just a land of rock and ice. It's way above tree line. You don't get trees growing there, you get shrubs, and they only poke up above the ground a couple inches. This forest site that we've discovered indicates that we had standing forests, like you would have now in the boreal forest, so in Alaska, that sort of thing.
So this is a somewhere between 3 and 5 million year old log, and when we take a cut of it, we can see these little rings going straight from the center to the outside of it, and every year a tree deposits a new ring. So we can use this to count how old this tree is. And in the case of all of the trees that we are using, they existed in an environment and a climate that was extremely stressful. And we can see that by incredibly small rings. If you were to look at a tree from somewhere around here, it would have much wider rings because it's growing more every summer than any tree that exists so far north. So this tree, we can also see little oscillations in its growth patterns. And every decade or so, there's a group of rings that are a little bit wider, a little bit thicker, so it's growing a little bit more every summer. And then there's another oscillation where they're really thin, where it's not growing very much during the summer. So these are probably oscillations in the environment where it went from a little bit warmer, wetter summers to probably a lot colder and a lot drier.